Immobiliser fitting. This is an i96 Connect on a 2022 Maserati Levante. So if a thief got this key and went to steal the vehicle, it's just not going to start up. As you see, foot's on the brake, vehicle's not going to start. And if you're not around with the Connect system, your phone's going to ring to let you know someone's trying to steal your vehicle. As you can see, the 2022 Levante is giving us a call, letting us know someone's trying to steal it. Obviously, if it's the customer, what they'll do, double tap the start button to get the ignition on with their foot off the brake, pop their code in, so 1, 2, 3, receive a disarm tone, foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle fires up. As you see, we don't get a phone call because obviously the customer's driving it. If they don't want to do a code, they can just turn their Bluetooth on their connected phone, get in the car, start it up and drive away. No need to do the code. They can set their own code between 3 and 21 presses, and once again, if a thief attempts to steal the vehicle, so we'll just turn the Bluetooth off, they go to start it, vehicle's not going to start and the customer's phone's going to ring. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.